Today's video is all about productivity and organization via the iPad Pro. We won't be going through every single app on my iPad because most of them are generic, but we'll be going through the most used and the most important ones. First in line, we have Canva. Everyone and their mama uses this app for their social media needs, and I do too. Great for YouTube thumbnails, but my favorite is for Instagram stories because you can make clean stories that give you more creative freedom than within the Instagram app itself. Next, I have Procreate. I like to practice making cool portraits on this app in my free time. I also enjoy using this app to edit existing photos or get PNG graphics of my own handwriting for my videos. Now we have the app Calendars. I use the Calendars app to organize my YouTube and important dates. I don't use it to plan out my days block by block. I actually just use a paper planner for that by week, and I really enjoy this one off Amazon because I am able to just rip it off when done and it's sitting on my table. I don't need to open my iPad for it, and I can just see it as I pass by whenever I need. Then I have VLLO, my go-to app for editing videos specifically for Instagram. It's extremely user-friendly. I was actually able to teach my mom how to use it within a day, and it runs smoothly on the iPad. Next we have Pinterest. Honestly, I mainly just use it to find inspiration and beautiful backgrounds and wallpapers. Also, I upload a lot of my own videos and my mom's recipe videos onto Pinterest. Next, we have Evernote. I started with Evernote to keep all my video ideas, scripts, and notes all in one place. It did the trick, but I can't say I love the app because there were quite some limitations from what I required from it. This is a great alternative for those of you that need a free note-taking app. Next, you guessed it, Notability. This app is 10/10. It's one of the apps that I've actually paid for, and I have not regretted it one bit. You can import documents into your notes and write directly onto it. Also, you can separate your notes with subjects and dividers, and you can either write your notes in your own handwriting or you can then transfer that into typed text. Honestly, no complaints with this app. Next, we have Phonto. I use this one for the sole purpose of creating PNG text for my YouTube videos. Next up is Pomodoro, another study hack app. It basically just starts a 25-minute timer for you to study through, and then it informs you when done, and then you can start a 5-minute timer for your break right afterwards. You can also adjust the time frames, and it just basically facilitates the Pomodoro study method if you follow that. I find it helpful to tune out distractions from social media and any other notifications, and then during my 5-minute break I can catch up on any notifications I got and then get back to the grind. Finally, another favorite is Lumafusion. This one's a paid app. Again, I don't regret getting it, and this is the app that I use for my YouTube videos. I did try to use VLLO for YouTube, but considering my videos are longer on YouTube than they are on IG, I did prefer transferring over to Lumafusion. iMovie has a lot of limitations, especially with the text. Adobe Premiere Rush was very promising and had the added bonus of being a free editing app, but it just kept crashing. Super disappointing because it was so promising. Finally got Lumafusion, and I can say it is the best app that I've come across yet, but there's still room for improvement. For now, it will do. So guys, these are my favorite iPad Pro apps that facilitate my YouTube journey. I'd love to hear about your interesting apps, so please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to give them all a try. Until next time, bye!